Hello, boys and girls. Mrs. Hales here with my big glasses and a big cold. It's a good thing I'm not in person with you. Today we are going to read about rainbows, and we are going to paint our own rainbows. Now I'm going to share with you a book that I like called The Rainbow Book by Kate Ort. One of the cool things about this book that I want you to notice is the pages are cut out. Different shapes are cut out of each page. So on this page, little arcs or rainbow shapes are cut out. And then when I turn the page, it changes. So when I turn this pink page and I put it on top of this black page, I want you to see what happens and notice what happens to the shapes in between the cutout spaces. So in this case, the black shapes. All right, let's get started. The Rainbow Book. Some days everything feels black and white, but usually I feel more colorful. When I feel pink, I am sweet and cuddly. When I feel red, I am fiery and bold. When I feel orange, I am energetic and strong. When I feel yellow, I am happy and bright. When I feel green, I am fresh and alert. When I feel blue, I am calm and peaceful. When I feel purple, I am mysterious and exciting. And sometimes I feel like a rainbow, letting all of my colors show. So sometimes you can have more than one of those feelings at once and let all of your colors show. The end. For this project, I'm going to use watercolor paints. If you don't have watercolor paints, you can use tempera paint, or you could even use crayons or markers to make your rainbow. When you use watercolor paints, you have to get the colors wet that you want to use first, just with a little brush full of water. So just a little bit of water to get your colors wet. I'm going to use all the colors of the rainbow, so those are the ones I'm getting wet. I'm getting wet red, yellow, orange, green, blue, and that's it, because I don't have purple. I have to make purple. So the first color I'm going to put on my paper is red. I'm going to dip my paintbrush in the red paint and paint a red mountain. And then right over top of that, the exact same shape, I'm going to make an orange mountain. And these two lines are going to touch each other. And if the color bleeds together a little bit, that is okay. Now I'm going to use my yellow paint. Red, orange, yellow. I'm not going to worry about if my yellow bleeds in with my orange or if my lines aren't perfectly smooth. It's all going to be fine. Now I'm going to use green paint. I have two different greens, so I mix them together a little bit. But if you only have one green color in your watercolor palette, that's okay. The paints are kept in a little plastic container called a watercolor palette. And they can be round or they can be square. Now I'm going to use blue paint. And I have two blues, so I mixed them together too. Now, how am I going to make purple? I'm going to mix my blue paint. I'm going to do a light blue and a dark blue, and then I'm going to make purple. Now, how do I make purple? I'm going to mix my blue paint and my red paint together. I actually have two different reds. I have a orangish red and then I have a pinkish red. So I'm gonna pick up some blue paint and I'm gonna put it right on top of one of my reds and mix that together. And I'm gonna get a nice plummy purple color. And this is gonna be my violet or my purple, the last color in my rainbow. And there's my rainbow painting. When we learn the colors of the rainbow, we learn them like a man's name, Roy G. Biv. So the R is for the red, the O is for the orange, and the Y is for the yellow. The G is for the green, B is for blue, the I is for indigo, and the V is for violet. So it's Roy G. Biv. And the colors go from the bottom to the top or the left to the right. So I will leave my rainbow up for you so you can put your colors in the right place. And you know what? If you don't get your colors in the right place, that's all right. Just get as many colors in your rainbow as you can get, and that'll be just great. I'll see you next time, boys and girls.